Number 1. Hamburgers. The hamburger is an iconic American dish, renowned for its simplicity and versatility. It typically features a juicy ground beef patty, grilled to perfection, and served in a soft toasted bun. Classic toppings include fresh lettuce, ripe tomatoes, tangy pickles, and crisp onions, all enhanced by a slice of melted cheese. Condiments like ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise add extra layers of flavor. Variations abound, with gourmet versions incorporating unique ingredients such as avocado, bacon, or specialty sauces. The hamburger's popularity stems from its ability to be customized to individual tastes, making it a beloved staple in American cuisine. Number 2. Hot dog. The hot dog is an iconic American street food consisting of a grilled or steamed sausage, typically made from beef or pork, nestled in a soft, sliced bun. Often enjoyed at sports events and barbecues, hot dogs can be customized with a variety of toppings. Classic condiments include mustard, ketchup, onions, relish, and sauerkraut. Regional variations add unique flavors such as chili, cheese, or coleslaw. Whether enjoyed plain or fully loaded, the hot dog's versatility and convenience make it a beloved and enduring staple of American cuisine, symbolizing casual dining and summer festivities. Apple pie is an iconic American dessert, symbolizing warmth and tradition. It features a flaky, buttery crust filled with sweet, spiced apples, often flavored with cinnamon and nutmeg. The filling is a harmonious blend of tart and sweet apple varieties, baked until tender and juicy. A lattice or solid top crust completes the pie, creating a golden, crispy exterior. Often enjoyed, warm apple pie pairs perfectly with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream. Its comforting flavors and aromas make it a beloved treat for holidays, family gatherings, and celebrations, embodying the essence of homemade goodness. Number 4. Buffalo wings. Buffalo wings are a popular American dish consisting of deep-fried chicken wings coated in a spicy, tangy sauce. Originating in Buffalo, New York in the 1960s, they were first served at the Anchor Bar by Teresa Bellissimo. Typically, the sauce combines hot sauce, butter, and sometimes other seasonings, creating a distinctive, zesty flavor. Buffalo wings are often served with celery sticks and blue cheese or ranch dressing, providing a cooling contrast to the spicy heat. They have become a staple in sports bars and restaurants, especially popular during football games and social gatherings for their flavorful, finger-licking appeal. Barbecue ribs, a beloved culinary delight, feature tender, slow-cooked pork or beef ribs coated in a savory, sweet, or tangy sauce. Originating in the American South, they are a staple of outdoor cookouts and regional BBQ traditions. The ribs are typically seasoned with a dry rub, slow-smoked, and finished with a flavorful barbecue sauce that caramelizes to perfection. Cooking techniques vary from grilling to smoking, each imparting unique flavors. Number 6. Macaroni and cheese. Macaroni and cheese, often called mac and cheese, is a classic comfort food made with cooked macaroni pasta and a creamy cheese sauce. Originating from Italy, it gained popularity in the United States in the early 1800s. Typically, it's made with cheddar cheese, though variations include different types of cheese, additional ingredients like breadcrumbs, bacon, or vegetables, and even baked versions. It's known for its rich, gooey texture and savory flavor, making it a beloved dish for all ages. Fried chicken is a popular dish made by coating pieces of chicken in seasoned batter and deep frying them until crispy and golden brown. Originating in the southern United States, it's known for its juicy interior and crunchy exterior. The dish has countless variations worldwide, often incorporating local spices and cooking techniques. Fried chicken's appeal lies in its satisfying combination of textures and flavors. It's commonly served with sides like coleslaw, mashed potatoes, or biscuits. Its versatility and universal appeal make it a staple in comfort food cuisine, enjoyed at casual meals and festive gatherings alike. Number 8. Pulled pork. Pulled pork is a popular dish made from slow-cooked pork shoulder, known for its tender, juicy texture and smoky flavor. Typically prepared in a smoker or slow cooker, the pork is cooked until it can be easily pulled apart with forks. The meat is often seasoned with a dry rub before cooking and finished with a tangy barbecue sauce. Originating in the southern United States, pulled pork is a staple of American barbecue culture. It is commonly served on sandwiches, with coleslaw, or as part of a barbecue platter, making it a versatile and beloved comfort food. Number 9. New York-style pizza. New York-style pizza, famous for its thin, foldable crust, is a beloved culinary icon. Originating in New York City, this pizza style features a hand-tossed crust with a light, airy texture and a crisp outer edge. Typically topped with a simple tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and various toppings. It is cooked in a high-temperature gas oven, resulting in a slightly charred, chewy crust. Its large, wide slices are often eaten on the go, folded in half to manage the generous size. Known for its balance of flavors and textures, New York-style pizza remains a favorite among pizza enthusiasts. Number 10. The Philly cheesesteak. The Philly cheesesteak is a beloved American sandwich that originated in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. It's traditionally made with thinly sliced ribeye beef, grilled with onions, and served on a hoagie roll. The sandwich is typically topped with melted cheese, most commonly cheese whiz, provolone, or American cheese. The key to a great Philly cheesesteak lies in its simplicity and the quality of its ingredients, particularly the tender, flavorful beef. Over the years, this iconic sandwich has become a cultural symbol of Philadelphia, enjoyed by locals and visitors alike, and has inspired numerous variations across the United States. Number 11. Chicago-style deep dish pizza. Chicago-style deep dish pizza is a savory, thick crust pizza originating from Chicago. Unlike traditional pizzas, the deep dish is baked in a high-edged pan, allowing for a thick, buttery crust that supports ample layers of cheese, toppings, and a chunky tomato sauce. The cheese is placed directly on the dough, preventing it from becoming soggy under the heavy tomato sauce. Popularized by pizzerias like Pizzeria Uno in the 1940s, this indulgent, hearty dish has become a symbol of Chicago's rich culinary heritage, attracting food lovers worldwide for its unique, satisfying flavor and substantial pie-like structure. Number 12. Biscuits and gravy. Biscuits and gravy is a classic Southern comfort food in the United States, known for its hearty and flavorful combination. The dish features soft, fluffy biscuits topped with a creamy gravy made from meat drippings, typically pork sausage, milk, and flour. Seasoned with black pepper and sometimes a touch of cayenne, the gravy is rich and savory, complementing the light, buttery biscuits perfectly. Often enjoyed as a breakfast staple, biscuits and gravy provide a satisfying, filling meal that reflects the warmth and tradition of Southern cooking. It's a beloved dish that brings a sense of nostalgia and home-style comfort. Thanks for joining us on this delicious journey through the America's most authentic foods. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tasty adventures. See you next time.